Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I want to show you how you can fix a frayed cord. This is my iPhone cord. As you can tell, the end of this is a little frayed, so I'm going to show you guys how you can fix this and also do other cords around your house. One of the things you will need is some heat shrink tubing. I'll leave a link for these in the description. I'm actually going to use this one and cut it down a little bit to put on here because you don't need a ton, but let's go ahead and dive in. Hey guys, so you're going to go ahead and slide your heat shrink onto your area that you're going to need to protect. You could even do this for your iPhone cord before it frays because these do this semi-often. Then you're going to grab either a heat gun or a blowtorch, or even I've seen people do it with lighters, but today I'm going to be using a heat gun. I'll also put this link in the description if you're interested. And then you're just going to try your best just in the area just to go ahead and get this hot so it's going to wrap around the area. So let's go ahead and do that. Well, as you can tell, this worked really well. The tubing's on there and it's protecting the little frayed area. I think this is a pretty easy DIY project and something you can do for a lot of other cords around your home that might be fraying. But I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments. Love to help you out with those as well. But you can also check out one of these other videos that's popped up here on your end screen. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.